I call this chicken Roadrunner. It's the neighbor's chicken. Come over here. The chicken's looking for worms or whatever in the dirt I move around. I guess she's shy, camera shy. Anyway, this is I believe the chicken that was in the chicken coop and took off running when we went and cleaned it out. So anyway, of all the chickens that come over here, she's the lightest color, so I believe that's the same chicken. But anyway, kind of neat. Come visit me every day. That's my chicken story. Have a good day.